for joining me in another video today. Today I will be showing you my dashcam footage of when my Tesla Model 3 was hit, how much it cost, and how long it took each time to repair. Today I will be using props. You heard that right, I have my cool die-cast models of the Tesla Model 3. Let me show you. Here's one, and here's the other. In my videos, I feature two Teslas, a black standard range Model 3, which is this one, and a midnight silver metallic dual motor Model 3, which is this one. Unfortunately, the black one was hit 3 times and the gray one was hit once. Okay, let's start off with the black one, which is named Smog. Yeah, that one is mine. I owned my car for 2 weeks and my car was scratched in the front. Right here in the front bumper. I was parked without Sentry mode on. I apparently didn't think anything would happen. Someone had adjusted their parking and got too close to my car and scratched it a bit. It wasn't bad, but for being a new car, I was pretty devastated. The other person's insurance covered this accident. I went to a repair shop that was on the Tesla recommended repair shop page for my area. This repair took about 4 weeks and it cost $925.20. Let's take a closer look at the bill of repairs. For this accident, all they did was remove, repair, and refinish the front bumper. No Tesla parts were needed to be ordered. The second accident was also unfortunate. For this one, my car was hit on the rear driver door. So right over here. And probably a little bit on this side and maybe a scratch on here, but it was mostly on this door here. The only footage I have from it is from the Chick-Fil-A security cameras. Here I am arriving to get my chicken at Chick-Fil-A, just minding my own business, and then right about now you see a car pulling up that's gonna reverse into me. And hold on a second, backing up, bam. And no hesitation, they just drive away. And at this point, I'm pretty much just in shock. And there it goes, those jerks. Why don't I have dashcam footage? Well, because I didn't notice the obvious red dot of the flash drive being full, nor did I invest in a larger size flash drive. This was before Tesla updated the dashcam drive to automatically delete old footage. This accident was the worst. Not only did I not eat chicken that day, but I also did not have footage and I didn't get the driver's license plate and the car drove off. I was in a hit and run at a Chick-Fil-A. That sucks. I filed a police report, but in the end I had to pay my deductible and the insurance covered the costs. For this repair, it took about a month and a half and it cost $2,396.30. Alright, let's look at the bill of repairs for this accident. For this incident, it looks like the front door was repaired. The rear door was replaced and the adhesive trim had to be ordered. The rear quarter panel was repaired. And it looks like the rear bumper was also refinished. The third accident, and I hope the last, was caught on Sentry mode. My car was hit on the driver's side of the bumper, which was over here in this area. Here you can see the car is going to back into my car, license plate in clear view, Sentry mode is triggered. Then later, the driver comes back to look at the scene of the crime. But moments later, I arrive to look at the damage. The person did come back and apologize and give me their insurance information. Again, my car was just minding its own business sitting in the parking lot and someone just bumped into it. Poor Smog. The other person's insurance covered the cost. This took about a month to repair. It cost $2,571.31. So this was the third time someone hit my car in the parking lot and my car only had 5,956 miles. Okay, let's look at the bill of repairs for this one too. I don't know what it is. I guess I just choose unlucky parking spots. Looks like the tow bracket cover was replaced and several rivets were replaced. And of course, they refinished the bumper. Okay, finally moving on to the next car. This Model 3 was hit in street traffic. And I have footage. On this car, it was hit on the driver door, unfortunately, some on this door, and then some on the quarter panel as well. And I have the door which made a guest appearance in another video. So this is the door that got hit, and you can clearly see the damage on it, and it came off of this car. The door is pretty light for a short while, but this is the car now. Don't ask me why the owner kept the door, they just did. Okay, roll the footage. This took around a month and a half to fix, and it cost $4,659.40. Let's look at the bill. The front fender was refinished. The front and rear door was ordered from Tesla and replaced. The door seals were all also replaced. The rear quarter panel was repaired and refinished. The rear quarter glass was removed and reinstalled. There was also lots of bolts, screws, and clamps and rivets that were ordered. My overall experience was okay-ish with the repair shops. I did have to go back in for 2 different events for paint and door handles to be readjusted. I guess what I can take away, if that's what the point of this is always have a dash cam and always have Sentry mode on when not at home. In fact, Dashcam has come in handy to help other people in their accidents. Like when Tesla saw this, and this, and this, and this. Believe it or not, these clips were caught on my dash cam. Here's a bonus. Let me show you how to prepare a flash drive to work with a Tesla. I'm going to take the drive I use out of my car and clear it out and start from scratch. The process now is much easier than it used to be. So I have the USB plugged in to the car. Now I'm gonna go and format it. So we're gonna go to Settings, Safety and Security, and Dashcam, and you're just gonna click on Format USB Device. It's gonna ask you, and then you're gonna say yes, format. Well, I know this wasn't my usual education on EVs, but I thought I would share my experience. If something has happened to your car, let me know in the comments below about how your experience went. Now it's time for my segment where Kai helps me review toy cars. So the car I'm going to be unboxing today is the Renault Trezor Concept. It's not a Hot Wheel, but it is a Matchbox. So this car was never produced, but was introduced in 2016. I found this at the store and was very curious about it. And it turns out it is electric, but it's just a concept car, so you can't actually buy it. So let's start opening this up and then I'll tell you more about it. I found some information online. Oh, good, you're gonna help me? Ooh. Another plastic. Alright, there it is. So more about this car. It has a 28 kilowatt hour battery and the motor can accept 260 kilowatts of power. Supposedly it can go 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. That's pretty fast. It doesn't have any doors, but rather you open the roof to get out. Oh wait, does this close? Oh, it does. Let's see if we can, I don't know how to open it. Oh. How would you get out of this car? Does this open all the way up? Well, on here it looks like it's just a very small slit that you'd go into. Unsure. This car was supposed to go into production in 2020, but I haven't heard anything about it so far this year. Have you guys? Do you guys know anything about this car? Looks like this one might just be staying in concept. Look at that. It's very futuristic. Oh no, I can't close it all the way. Huh? That's pretty neat. Kaya, you can't buy this car, but what do you think about it? It's got a few licks. It's probably unsure licks. She does like to lick everything. All right, what do you guys think? Thanks for spending time with me today again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more EV content. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram at Kaya's Tesla. Kaya's my dog. That's all for now, and happy charging!